This guide will help you reduce lag spikes on your Steam Deck for a smoother gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your device's performance. Step 1. Update your system. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in your games. Access the in-game settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow details. This can help decrease the load on your hardware. Step 3. Manage background processes. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Press the Steam button, navigate to the Quick Access menu, and exit any apps that are not needed while gaming. This will free up system resources. Step 4. Optimize power settings. Change the power settings to prioritize performance. Go to Settings, select Performance, and adjust the power profile to Performance mode. This will help your Steam Deck run more efficiently during gameplay. Step 5. Monitor temperature. Keep an eye on the device's temperature. If it gets too hot, it may throttle performance. Ensure proper ventilation and consider using a cooling pad if necessary to maintain optimal temperatures. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce lag spikes and enhance your gaming experience on the Steam Deck. Enjoy your games.